Hi everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pineapple chutney. So let's start, but be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. To make pineapple chutney, I have 3 cups of pineapple chunks, 3/4 cup of pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or you can substitute with paprika. Here I am using canned pineapple chunks that comes with pineapple juice. I have just roughly chopped them. You can use fresh pineapple if you want, no need to add juice in it. Or if you're using canned crushed pineapple, just add the whole can, no need to add juice in that as well. In a pot, add pineapple chunks. Keep the flame on medium. Also add pineapple juice, salt, ground cumin, red chili powder, and vinegar. Mix everything. Now cook this on medium to low flame till the pineapple juice evaporates. This chutney is gonna have a sweet and tangy flavor, and it'll have that kick to it because of the red chili powder. It's a great side dish that can be served with anything and everything. Great side dish in summer. As you can see that it has started to boil, occasionally stir and keep it on medium flame till the pineapple juice evaporates. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new recipes I post, and do hit that like button down below. It's just another way to support my channel. After 12 to 15 minutes, you will notice that pineapple juice has pretty much evaporated. At this stage, add sugar and give this a mix. Cook for another few more minutes or till you just see a little bit of juice left. Turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely. This pineapple chutney has become one of the favorite side dish in my house. When it's completely cooled down, I'm gonna give this pineapple chutney a touch with just a couple of pinches of crushed cardamom. This is totally optional. If you're not a big fan of cardamom, feel free to not use it. It'll still taste amazing. Then transfer it in a clean jar or a container. Add all the juice that's left because it'll keep the chutney juicy and won't dry out in the fridge. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Hope you like this recipe and do give it a try. Leave a comment in the comment section for any suggestions or feedback. And do subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.